Hey everyone! Today we're gonna have an effective depuffing and lifting morning routine. This routine is so relaxing, so you can also do this before sleep. First, we start with lymphatic drainage. Start by massaging on your collarbones slowly for 10 seconds. Then go to the neck sides and move downwards for 10 more seconds. In this way, you're gonna open the lymph nodes before you start your massage so that they will help your face to depuff and detoxify. Then we go to the double chin area. Start by massaging upwards with your hands for 30 seconds on your neck. Move from the bottom of your neck upwards towards your chin. This move will reduce any wrinkles on the neck. It will also help to reduce double chin. Next exercise is a full face massage. Start to move upwards from your chin on your face and then come down on the sides of your face with your fingertips. This move is so effective to increase blood circulation and refresh your face. Do this for 10 times slowly and smoothly. Then we go up to our upper lip. With your index fingers, start to move outward over your lip for 10 times. This move will reduce any wrinkles like barcode lines on the lips. It will also lift the lips and help with them to look plumper. Next exercise is for jowls lift. This exercise will lift the whole face and cheeks area. With your fingers, start to pinch your skin upwards and then move towards your ears. Keep doing this slowly for 5 times on each side. Your pressure should be medium and be careful not to make any wrinkles on your face. Even now, you can see the lip on this side of my face. As you are moving upwards with your fingers, you're gonna lift your lip corners, reduce marionette lines, and sculpt your cheekbones. Next exercise is a lymphatic massage. Keep massaging over your ears with your fingers for 20 seconds. This massage will open the lymph nodes in this area and it will reduce any toxins and extra fat cells from the face. As a result, your face will look slimmer. Next exercise is for smile lines. Make half moves with your hands and start to move outwards under your cheekbones for 10 times slowly. This exercise will also sculpt your cheekbones. As a result, your face will depuff and look slimmer and sculpted. By lifting the skin, you're gonna reduce any wrinkles around the mouth, such as the smile lines. At the end, keep massaging for a couple of seconds on the lymph nodes in this area. Next exercise is under eye pull. Move slowly and gently on your cheekbones upwards towards your temples. Keep doing this smoothly and slowly for 10 times. This exercise will increase blood circulation and collagen production. As a result, you will get brighter and depuffed under eyes. Next exercise is again a lymphatic drainage exercise. Keep massaging with your fingertips on your temples slowly for 20 seconds. In this way, you're gonna open the lymph nodes in this area and help the eye area to depuff and detoxify. You will also unfold any wrinkles like crow's feet on the corner of your eyes. For the next exercise, start with massaging with your index fingers between your eyebrows for 30 seconds. Massage smoothly and slowly on this part. In this way, you're gonna activate brow muscles and unfold frown lines in here. Next exercise is forehead lift. Start to move upwards with your index fingers on your forehead. Keep doing this smoothly with a high pressure for 10 times. With this exercise, you're gonna unfold any horizontal wrinkles on your forehead. You will also lift eyes and brows. And lastly, finish this routine with lymphatic massage. Start on your temples and massage for 10 seconds. Then go down to your ears and keep massaging for 10 more seconds. During your sleep, stagnant fluid and toxins are built up in the face. So with lymphatic drainage, you're gonna lead them out of your face through lymph nodes. Go to the neck sides and start to move downwards for 10 seconds. I can say lymphatic drainage is a key for glowing skin in the morning. Lastly, massage on your collarbones for again 10 seconds. In this way, you're gonna depuff your face and detoxify it. As a result, your face will look brighter, slim and sculpted. So this was it for today's routine. Hope it was helpful. See you next one. Bye.